Effective home remedies for various diseases. Many of us have sometimes used home remedies such as herbal teas, aromatic oils or herbal supplements. Some of these home remedies are recommended by people around us, and we have seen some on the internet and virtual space. In recent decades, scientists have discovered that some herbal remedies are really useful. In the following, we introduce some effective home remedies, most of which have scientific support. 1. Mint. There are different types of mint, each of which has different uses and benefits. For pain, you should use wintergreen or galleria, which contain methyl salicylate. Methyl salicylate acts like capsaicin and produces a cool burning sensation before its aesthetic effect. This feature is effective for reducing joint and muscle pain. Another type of mint used in traditional medicine is peppermint. Peppermint has been found to be effective in relieving symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. According to research, this herb reduces spasms, as well as diarrhea and abdominal pain associated with IBS. Peppermint activates an analgesic channel in the large intestine that reduces inflammatory pain in the digestive tract. Most likely, this is the reason for its effectiveness in the treatment of IBS. Peppermint oil capsules or its tea, in addition to reducing digestive and stomach problems, helps to improve headaches, colds and other body ailments. 2. Honey. Taking this natural sweetener as a cough home remedy can be just as effective as over-the-counter medications. Honey is especially useful for children who are not old enough to take medicine. Of course, do not use honey for babies or toddlers under 1 year old, because there is a small chance that they will get some kind of rare but serious food poisoning that may be dangerous. You may have heard that local honey is good for allergies, but research does not support this claim. 3. Turmeric. This spice can be beneficial for a variety of ailments, from arthritis to fatty liver. Turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for almost 4,000 years. This spice can be the best treatment for pain relief, especially pain caused by inflammation. Curcumin is the active ingredient of turmeric. In a research, the pain level of patients with arthritis decreased more after taking 500 mg of curcumin than after taking 50 mg of diclofenac sodium, a type of anti-inflammatory drug. Other studies have supported this claim of pain relief. According to this research, turmeric extract relieves the pain of knee arthritis patients as much as ibuprofen. Therefore, turmeric is a useful spice for the home treatment of arthritis. The amount of curcumin in turmeric is maximum 3%. Therefore, it is better to use curcumin supplements for pain relief. Of course, turmeric itself is also useful. It is said that consuming 2 to 5 grams of this spice also has benefits. Use black pepper to increase curcumin absorption. Do not consume too much turmeric, because consuming a large amount of it can cause digestive problems. 4. Ginger. Using ginger as a home remedy for sore throats, colds, morning sickness and nausea is very common. Research has also confirmed that ginger plays a role in reducing nausea and vomiting. For thousands of years, ginger has been used in traditional Asian medicine for the home treatment of diarrhea, stomachache, and nausea. There is also evidence that ginger reduces menstrual pain. You can take ginger as a tea and grate it for more effect. Another benefit of ginger that has received less attention is its anti-inflammatory effect. The next time you have nausea and a headache, try ginger. Ginger is different from other pain relievers that reduce inflammation. Ginger prevents the formation of certain types of inflammatory compounds and eliminates inflammation through antioxidants that affect the acidity of the fluid between the joints. The anti-inflammatory effects of ginger do not have the side effects of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. Ginger consumption is not beneficial for everyone. Some people experience stomach upset, heartburn, diarrhea and gas after consuming it. In addition, ginger may affect the performance of some drugs. 5. Green tea. Green tea is rich in powerful antioxidants that can protect cells from damage and help fight disease. Green tea may even reduce the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer, such as skin, breast, lung, and colon cancer. 6. Garlic. According to some studies, people who eat more garlic are less likely to develop certain types of cancer. Garlic supplements do not have this effect. Garlic lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. Of course, it does not seem to be very effective. 7. Neti teapot. A Neti teapot is similar to a small teapot with which you pour a warm salt water solution into one of the nostrils so that it comes out of the other nostril. Using this method is useful for relieving the symptoms of allergies or colds. Be sure to use distilled water or cooled boiled water and keep your Neti teapot clean. 8. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is said to be effective in regulating blood sugar in people with prediabetes or diabetes. However, there is no evidence to support the benefits of using cinnamon for any disease or health problem. Use cinnamon with caution, as consuming too much cinnamon extract can be harmful to the liver. 9. Hot water bath. Hot water bath is useful for diseases such as arthritis, back pain and joint pain. These diseases affect muscles, bones and tendons. Tendon is the tissue that connects muscle to bone. Warm water increases blood flow to areas that need blood. While you are in a warm bath, gently stretch and soften the affected areas. The water should not be too hot, especially if you have a skin disease. The ideal temperature is 33 to 38 degrees Celsius. 10. Ice bag. Using an ice pack in the first 48 hours after an injury is effective in reducing pain and swelling. You can also use an ice pack for injuries that repeatedly cause pain and swelling, but only after physical activity, not before. Never use ice for more than 20 minutes and remove it if the skin becomes red. 11. Pepper. Capsaicin is a popular topical pain reliever that causes heat and ultimately numbing of a part of the skin. If you have muscle pain or general body aches and it doesn't get better, you can get some capsaicin cream. To prepare the cream with coconut oil and capsaicin, mix 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper powder, or any other hot pepper, with 1 cup of coconut oil. Put the oil on low heat until it melts. Stir the mixture thoroughly for 5 minutes. Then remove it from the heat and put it in a container until it hardens and cools. After cooling, massage it on the skin. Test a small amount of the cream on your skin before use. Be sure to wear gloves when using and never apply this cream on the face or around the eyes. There is also a prescription capsaicin patch called Q-Teaser, which contains 8% capsaicin for effectiveness. 12. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds or seeds are usually used in cooking, but this spice has many medicinal uses. Consuming fenugreek in the form of tea helps to produce more milk in nursing mothers. Fenugreek is a very useful water-soluble fiber that hardens the stools of people with diarrhea. If you suffer from constipation, you should not use these seeds. Taking fenugreek supplements also reduces blood sugar. This feature has made Fenugreek a popular plant for diabetics. Fenugreek's role in lowering blood sugar is partly due to its high fiber content, which can help improve insulin function. 13. Shiitake mushroom. Neti, AHCC or active hexose-related compound, is an extract in Shiitake mushroom that increases antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects at the cellular level. Research has shown that AHCC may be effective in inhibiting breast cancer cells and that its interaction with the immune system may help fight cancer by strengthening an immune system weakened by chemotherapy. In a research, daily consumption of 5 to 10 grams of Shiitake mushrooms after 4 weeks helped to strengthen the immune system. 14. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil contains a substance called 1,8-ciol, which is effective for pain relief. Testing this substance on mice had an effect similar to morphine. Even inhalation of eucalyptus oil relieves body pains. In fact, eucalyptus oil is the magic ingredient in Vicks VapoRub that some people inhale for home remedies for congestion. Eucalyptus oil inhalation is not suitable for everyone. This oil can cause asthma and may be harmful to pets. Eucalyptus oil can cause respiratory distress in babies. 15. Lavender. Inhaling lavender can help relieve migraine attacks, headaches, anxiety, stress and distress. According to research, lavender is useful for migraine, anxiety or restlessness, memory problems during stress, sleep. Drinking lavender tea or using a lavender bag when you are under a lot of stress is one of the ways to reduce anxiety and relax the mind and body. You can use a combination of lavender oil and other vegetable oils. Use for aromatherapy. One study found that combining lavender with sage and rose was effective in relieving symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Consuming lavender can also have side effects. Using essential oil directly without diluting it can irritate the skin or affect hormone levels. Always dilute essential oils before use. 16. Foods rich in magnesium. Do you feel muscle pain, fatigue or migraine attacks? Maybe the reason for these problems is lack of magnesium. It is usually said that magnesium plays a role in the growth and maintenance of bones. But magnesium is also necessary for nerves and muscles. Magnesium also helps improve mood. Magnesium plays a role in the functioning of the parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system keeps us calm and cool. Therefore, having a diet rich in magnesium is effective for reducing stress. You do not necessarily need to take supplements to treat magnesium deficiency. Spinach, almonds, avocados and even dark chocolate are all rich in magnesium. Other foods rich in magnesium include legumes such as lentils, beans, peas and peas, tofu, whole grains, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel and halibut, the banana. Precautions. When treating ailments and health problems at home, keep these tips in mind. If you experience an allergic reaction or worsening of symptoms after taking the home remedy, see a doctor immediately. Home remedies are not always safe and effective. Although scientific research has confirmed these treatments, the results of their consumption are not necessarily the same for all communities or body types. What has been useful in research may not be useful for you. If you are using prescription or over-the-counter medications, it is best to consult your doctor or pharmacist before trying any home remedies. Because some home remedies affect the performance of medicines.